almost out of uranium. That's why I built them
User
this
was
for the
moved out of
mother.
your channel.
Oh, all right.
But what can I do to help myself? Should I refit it? What do I add to it?
User joined your channel.
Well, get a hold of me after class here, and we'll go over what your build actually is right now, and then we'll see how we need to tweak it.
Okay, I can do that.
Cool.
Anybody else got any other theories on any other builds that they want to talk about?
Well,
No,
I think
thank you.
for you folks that are a little lower on, you got the rhinos. What you need to do, if you want to succeed in this next raid, is you're going to have to put some anti on those rhinos or your tank, whatever you're going to use as a tank. Like at least 2 phalanx, and the biggest phalanx you can fit on there. On my refit I did for the raid this last one, and I was struggling, and I was like, okay, I'm going to spend a little bit of money and I'm going to refit something. I refit a Harlock Aegis, and I'm not saying you have to use that. It's really not what made my fleet badass. What made that fleet work was all the anti I loaded up on that Harlock Aegis. I have 1 anti-trident on each one of my 3 rhinos, and I used 2 phalanx 4, 2 phalanx 3s on that Harlock Aegis, and I was shooting down almost every missile that came my way. That helped out tremendously. It's all about the anti-missile. Also, the new hull. I think if you have a set of rhinos, you can build the new hull, the Apollo, and you use it as a tank because 1, it has 60% corrosive defense. That's the best in the game right now.
And you race that thing out in front of your rhinos, send off a volley, and then you run it back or whatever. You can run that thing around and you can get away from everything.
And I'm going to tell you what I'm going to do is I'm going to build I have 1 Apollo. I ranked it today just for this raid. And I'm going to use my 3 rhinos. I'm going to put this Apollo in the place of the Harlock Aegis that I have. And I'm going to anti it up. I'm going to put 2 or 3 Phalanx 4 on it. Phalanx 3. Just 1 or 2 weapons, maybe 3 weapons, and that's it. And just, it's going to be my tank. And it's going to shoot down all them freaking missiles that come at you. And I'm going to use my rhinos that have all the missile firepower and can kind of hang back to do all the damage.
Your channel.
The Apollo takes a beating with nothing on it. Now, when you put all of that stuff on it, it's going to take even a bigger beat. It's going to be